Hello everyone, this is David. We have another security camera footage video for you today. Today is June 26, 2019, and no, I'm not focused in on this house. I just want to start the video from where this perpetrator began. They actually come from the Sycamore area. It is actually this maroon SUV that you see here. They are trying to stop, and let's see if you can figure out what they're after. This particular person is trying to figure out, well, I guess I can't get that sign. So as they ever so slowly pass around the house, let's go over to this one. Now, here we go. Now they get around the house. Eventually, bear with me. Right now they're wrapping around the corner of my house. They're about to pull right here onto Grove Street, at the corner of Grove Street and Margie Street. They actually get into the curb. Really wish I could see this license plate here. They get out, they realize, oh, there's a vehicle behind me. So what do I need to do? I'm still about to do what I'm gonna do, so I'm going to pull over here. So, this person pulls down the street. Now here's where it gets interesting. While this person is actually in the process of turning around in our neighbor's driveway and starts to come back. Come on now. Anyway, hopefully everyone's having a great day so far. This is something that's comical, yet it's a topic that I've seen posted on Facebook several times before. So this video should hopefully semi-clear things up. Now here you have, my wife is actually backing out to leave. As you can see, there's that SUV. They've turned around now. They do let my wife Heather back out and leave, but now watch this. There she goes. I'm gonna kind of pull away a little bit. Here's that SUV again. Just stop right there. Now maybe they just want to get situated. Maybe they wanted to put their seatbelt on. Maybe they're trading seats with the passenger. Oh, okay. Maybe she just needs to get something out of the back. Oh, no, you don't. You don't need anything out of the back. You decide. Now this is where it gets funny. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Here we go. Who? Takes the Eric Moran for Judge sign, pulled it right up out the ground. Walks back over to the vehicle. Now this is also something kind of cool. Watch this little blue car right over here. Watch this. This car just wraps around the corner. Don't worry about that stop sign. I guess just keep going, huh? Don't worry about that. And this lady gets in her SUV and just drives away. So, in case anyone's wondering where their Eric Moran for Judge signs are disappearing to, which by the way, apparently I need another one. But anyway, so there is one of the culprits that are actually stealing signs. Alright, feel free to tag as many people as you could possibly think of. That way we can figure out who this person is. Apparently they have some kind of a vendetta against Eric Moran. But now I need another Eric Moran for Judge sign. That way maybe it'll give her something else to fall in the ditch for. Anyway, alright y'all.